What's intellectual property got to do with you? More than you might think. Intellectual property is everywhere. Here, 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 and here, 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 and even here. It's in our nature to create things, and intellectual property, or IP, is the legal way we can protect them. Things like books, music, brands, products, and even inventions. This protection has encouraged innovation in all walks of life. After all, what would be the point of having a good idea if anyone could take it? Hey! To put this in perspective, the Coca-Cola brand was recently valued at $84 billion, its most valuable asset.
But it's not just about big business. This affects all of us. If you have an idea or create pretty much anything, you're probably going to want to protect it. Unfortunately, rather than there being one nice simple law to call upon, IP protection comes in 4 delicious flavours. Well, they're actually rights: trademarks, copyright, patents, and design rights. Trademarks are used as a sign of origin of a product or service, and they are everywhere. Google, Nike, really, this is the cleanest you could find. Apple all have instantly recognisable trademarks. Perhaps less well known though are trademark colours. Heinz actually has trademark protection on the blue colour of their baked beans, and it's even possible to trademark a sound. Trademarks must be able to be represented graphically. Sounds can be scored. They must be distinctive and not be descriptive. You wouldn't be able to get a trademark for a company selling apples called Apple. Yet it's fine for computers or records. Anyone can use the TM sign without registering, but formal registration must be granted to use the R sign. Registration can be done easily and cheaply on the IPO website, and doing so prevents others from copying your brand identity. Copyright is an automatic right that does not need to be registered. It exists whenever anybody creates an original work, providing there's been some skill or judgment involved. Examples are books, pictures, music, films. This film itself is protected by copyright. Dissertations, talking of which, plagiarism isn't just cheating, but you wouldn't do that, would you? It's also copyright infringement. It also covers computer programs and databases. But there's a slight catch. Copyright protects what's called the expression of an idea, but it doesn't protect the idea being expressed. So if you write a brilliant piece of software, the code you've written is protected, not what the software does. Copyright works are protected for up to 70 years after the death of the person who created them. In that time, they can't be reproduced, rented, performed, or shown without permission, even if it's on the web. And the copyright owner can recover damages from anybody who infringes that. However, permission to copy works can be granted, usually in return for payment of a license fee or royalty. That's how music streaming websites do it. Next up is patents. The big guns of the IP world because they're powerful, potentially very valuable, and often really complex. They protect inventions providing they are new, involve an inventive step, and have industrial application. Tetra Pak have utilised patents for the machines that make these cartons. They've become a multi-billion-dollar company thanks to a process that folds cardboard. Without patents, drug companies wouldn't invest the enormous sums needed to develop new drugs. But the protection only lasts for 20 years, and it can take more than 10 years to bring a drug to the market. That's one reason why new drugs cost so much, yet out of patent drugs like this ibuprofen only cost 4p. If you ever have an idea that you think could be patented, there are 2 key things you should do. Firstly, don't tell anybody. Seriously, don't. Secondly, get some help from a patent attorney. The world is full of patent applications that lawyers can drive a bus through. Don't let yours be one of them. Design rights protect what things look like, their shape and appearance. That could be something as mundane as a coat hanger. Or something more iconic. Like copyright, design rights are automatic, but they only protect for 3 years if they remain unregistered. If registered, they can provide protection for up to 25 years. IP is there to encourage innovation by ensuring those that have great ideas can benefit from them. For more information, visit the IP Tutor on the Intellectual Property Office website.